Jambo, jambo.
Jambo.
Bonfire Directors Class, the management team. How are you guys?
Hi.
We have been here having strategic meetings and first saying thank you for what you guys did last year for 2025, you and your team, 2024, you and your team, where you surpassed the target that had been achieved. Kudos and thank you so much. Now, it is 2025. We are here now to think of the way forward and to know what expansion, what things we'll be able to do for 2025. Sarah?
Yeah, maybe they can also give us recommendation on some of the things that we can do to make Bonfire bigger and better, because we believe that as Kenya's leading travel agency and also Africa's leading travel agency for many years, we believe that we have a lot that we are yet to achieve, so that we can be able to make tourism accessible to every African person. We are now not talking just about Kenya, but the whole of Africa. So your suggestions are very welcome, but just know that we've planned a lot for you this year. We've just been seated here since morning, and we are going to be sharing on our socials on the things we plan for you, especially the set group departures. We want to do a lot of group departures so that people can join in. You know, there's a World Expo happening in Japan. If your child is in any school, please make sure that when we knock doors there, they'll be ready to open doors for us. We have other trade fairs happening around the world that we want people to participate, especially Canton Fair. We have a first departure for April and another one for October. But for now, najua watu tu mapenzi ndio wanafikiria. So Valentine's, we have a departure for Cape Town and another one for Dubai. And we would like to welcome you guys to join us. And also don't forget that you don't have to pay your bucket list holidays at a go. So in January, what we recommend people is to sit with a tour consultant. We have 100 tour consultants in our 10 branches. And by the way, we are going we are now looking for spaces to expand the next branch, that is Nanyuki branch and the Kisumu branch. So with our 100 tour consultants, I believe most of you have a relationship consultant. So you can talk to them and plan the year of your travel plans. After you do the plan for the year, then you can start the lipa pole pole model, where you don't have to think birthday yangu hii mwaka naenda wapi, anniversary tutaenda wapi, school holidays, kwanza summer holidays, where are we going to go? Remember, we have cruise departures during summer, that is in June, July, August, to different destinations in Europe, in US. So you just need to talk to us. We are ready to serve you as usual.
And as we continue, I want to introduce our COO and or the GM who will be in charge of, has been and will be in charge of this team to continue managing the company as they have been doing this. Thank you so much. And we are becoming better and better. You know, like wine. Bonfire Ventures, a lot of things at least we have been able to come up with different strategies so that we are able to give you a lot of things for 2025. Different destinations, you know, those magic destinations that have never been accessed. We are going to give you that. From Alaska to Cape Town, Bonfire will take you there. Anytime, this team, continue doing what you have been doing, team, and continue guiding the bigger team so that they are able to give our clients the satisfaction and better service that Bonfire has been offering. Sawa sawa. Thank you so much and long live Bonfire. God bless us all.